Hi, my name is Nick Shipman, and this is our interactive advanced concept presentation 2 lava lamp. So, got my oil here. I'm gonna fill up my jar a good bit with it. Next, I'm gonna add 200 cc's of water. Going to add some, my favorite color is blue, so I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring. Blue. Purple is my wife's favorite color, so I'm going to add some red. Hopefully that'll make purple eventually. That's a lot, so hopefully that's a good color. Let that kind of get to the bottom. And then I've got my Alka-Seltzer tablets. And so it might get a better reaction if we break them up, so throw a couple in. And our lava lamp effect should start happening. And then once that's done, we can add some more. So yeah, that's my lava lamp. So as that's going, I'll explain kind of what's happening. So the Alka-Seltzer is made out of C6H8O7 mixed with 3NaHCO3 plus, or this is the balanced equation of it, is C6H8O7 plus 3NaHCO3 with 3 H2O, and that yields us 3 CO2 plus 3 H2O plus 3 Na3C6H5O7. So as you can see, my molar ratio is 1:3:3. So C6H8O7 has 1 mole to my sodium bicarb, which has 3, to the water that has 3. So using that, we can figure out what our limiting reactant is going to be. So the moles in the reaction, the sodium bicarbonate has 1.916 grams in it, and then the C6H8O7 has 1 gram, just looking at the label. So when I break that down into moles, some quick math, the sodium bicarb has 0.0228 moles in it, and then the C6H8O7 has 0.0052 moles in it. And then the water has plenty of moles. It has I calculated out to per 100 milliliters or 100 grams. It's 5.549. So just multiply that by 2, which would be about 11 moles. So clearly, plenty of moles to be reacted upon with the water. So based off of our molar ratio of our 1:3:3, you can see that the moles of the C6H8O7, which is 0.0052, if you multiply that by 3, you only get 0.0156 moles, which is less than my sodium bicarb. So that means that my C6H8O7 in this reaction is my limiting reactant. All right. And so why does the lava lamp effect occur? Let's see here, I just made some notes. So when the Alka-Seltzer is dropped in the oil and the water, so the oil is more dense than the water, so it's going to stay on top, and oil and water do not mix. Okay, so in the water layer, the tablet begins to dissolve, and the chemical, so the bicarb and the C6H8O7, they dissolve and they start making carbon dioxide gas. And so once that mixes with the water, enough forms, it starts rising. It becomes less dense than the oil and rises to the top. And once it gets to the top, that's when the CO2 is released in the atmosphere and the water sinks back to the bottom. And that's how you get your lava lamp effect. That's it.